still just have this video of us walking to the beach with it on. Get to the water. And then I probably want to go on the ground.
Happy birthday to my booby. Happy birthday to you. It's favorite lemon crunch cake on your birthday. Make a wish. Love you. Bye.
You already know what my wish is. I can't tell you guys what it is though, because then it doesn't come true. Alright, so last night we ended up going to J. Dolan's for my birthday. Pizza is one of my favorite foods, and this is New York style at its finest here in Hawaii. So this is reheated, so it's not going to look exactly like it did last night, but it's still very good. It's one of my favorite pizza spots that I've been to on the island. So it's over there in Chinatown. Should definitely check it out. Yeah, your face is also red. Look at, there's so much sunburn. Oh, your face looks redder than mine. It's probably because I have a red shirt on.
Maybe. I have red on my shirt.
Yeah. You ready to be a mom?
Yep. Yep.
Oh, man. Any day now. We thought we were going to have a little birthday surprise yesterday.
Eric was hoping for a birthday surprise.
Kind of was, not going to lie. A little adult baby birthday sharing.
I'm pretty sure if it actually was going to happen yesterday, we wouldn't have done stuff all day. We wouldn't have driven the opposite direction of the hospital and gone to the beach.
Oh, yeah. We told Rory before that it was my birthday and we were going to be doing stuff. So
she's like, okay, fine, Mom, I'll stay.
She was in timeout. She was grounded inside of her room or womb. I don't know. Same thing. Told that she wasn't allowed to come out and play today. So.
But now it's not Eric's birthday, so she can come out. We're ready.
She's ready. Get out of my body. So Christy did give her the eviction notice a couple days ago. Let her know she's got like a week to pack her things and get on out. So we are here at the hospital, gearing up to get this thing out. So, a little late birthday present for me, but I am ready. Christy has a little camera shy right now. She doesn't want to be on camera. Oh, she's a beauty.